Good morning. Today, back up on the roof. It's early in the morning, before it's hot. Going to try to get the rest of the panels screwed down over there. And the last thing I'm going to end up doing is going to be along the edge here. None of us want to come down this far down to sit right on the edge and screw in the edge. That's a lot of ladder work. If I get that done, then I'll move over here and see how much of the gable trim I can get done. If I can get this end on, then I'll do some of the roof peak and see how far I get before it gets too hot to be up here. All right, so let's go over there. Okay, this is a fun part. To put the piece that goes over here, first step is to put butyl tape on. And as I mentioned before, none of us wanted to come close to the edge here. So I'm going to do as long a piece as I can. And it goes along the edge like that instead of, I thought it would go along the top, but the way they show it is going right along the edge like this. And this is just to seal this edge. So if I can get as far as I get, off the ladder, which I guess is about there. Hopefully that's enough. I gotta go all the way up to the peak, and I got the other side. Then I bring up the first piece and screw it down. It gets screwed into the edge here. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Okay, so what I did here is I cut it on both sides so that it'll, you guys want to stand up here? There we go. I cut it on both sides so that it will bend at the peak like that, and we're good. And then I'm not going to do that side right now. I need to come up a little bit. Right there. And then I'm going to do the ridge cap. We'll get that all done, and then I can do that side and then do the other end. Hello. And I'll get the other end, work my way back up, and then I'll go back down and get the ridge cap stuff. Up and down and up and down. Big mountain I'm climbing here today. Okay, I got that down there. I'll do that last. And now I gotta put the ridge cap on. I'm gonna start with those foam strips. I took the ridge cap down there, and I marked where the edges are so I can put those foam strips just inside of it. So let me go down and get them, and we'll get doing that. You know, I'm okay going up the roof. Going down, not my favorite. Whoa. I gotta be careful not to put my weight on the ribs, because they will bend. These things come pre-glued, and all I gotta do is get them in place. Just peel and stick. And they got little notches on them to attach them together. And I don't know if these are breathable so the air can go through. I don't really think so. I think they're more, they're more about keeping the bugs and the wind out. See these little notch on one end and go together, just stick them down. I'll get down there and come back, do the other side. All right, well, I got the last of the stuff up. I still got to get gutters put on, but I'm going to see if I can get a professional to do that, so I can do rain collection into those too. But come on in. I still got to level around here. I do have some gravel that I'm going to put around the building and out in the driveway. That's piled up there. To get an idea how big it is, that's Fritz's rat rod Volkswagen. He's got in here. He's been working on it since I got the floor painted. I did repaint the floor with a second coat. So that gives you an idea. He's got it just in the 1/4. I did buy these heavy-duty storage racks. Those are just empty boxes I'm going to use. I'm sure over the course of time those shelves will get full. This stuff all goes back on the bus. But the scaffolding here is just going to be like rolling workbenches. I've been thinking I need to get like a Metallica poster to go over there because, or some other heavy metal, because that's the corner where all the metal is getting stacked up. And right now that's just sort of, you got to have a sitting place. I decided that corner would be a good sitting place right near the door. Yeah, it's been over 100 degrees and the last few days, and this south wall especially, because it's that dark color, it's a little on the warm side. But I will, in the fullness of time, I will start insulating this, and which will also help with the echo that's going on in here. But anyway, yeah, so that's the shop. You get an idea just how big this thing is. Like I said, with a Volkswagen there, plenty of room to work around it. Pull buses in here. If you carefully, I could probably get 3 buses in here, but it'd be a little tricky. But it's 36 feet wide, and the buses are less than 9, so there's plenty of room. It's just a matter of backing through the door. Anyway, so there you go. That's going to end this series for now. I am just going to board that door up when I'm out of here to go where it's cooler. I'm not going to build the doors. I'm just shy on time. Anyway, there we go. Hope you enjoyed the build. This is a Versatube building, and the instructions are relatively easy to follow. A couple of spots, but anyway, there you go. Take care, my friends, and I will see you on the next one. I don't know what it's going to be, but it'll probably be on the road. Bye.